Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Coding. In this episode, I'm going to just make a slight variations from the previous live coding. So basically, I have been using this Exec Node mode, and previously I was using it for the noise curve. But remember that this curvaceous galore module actually have other functions, like in this case the ArrowCurve. And with the ArrowCurve, if we actually use the Python module and then run the script like to get the help for ArrowCurve function, you're gonna get a little bit of like hint how you can use these functions. Basically, you run it like ArrowCurve with a type. This is the parameter. You can give the type and then kind of modify the A and the B. And based on that information, we can get all kind of variations of arrow shapes like this. So I think this is really powerful. Let's look at the codes a little bit closer. So on the first line, we just grab the module, including the functions, ArrowCurve. We don't need noise curve, but I just show you that we can kind of do it this way. And the next line is the same. We create an empty list. And in this case, I'm using the V1 and V2 slot and then zip them together and then append it. So we kind of like grab the first element of I and the J, which is the from V1 and V2, and then append it the output. And for the output, we just do what we have been doing. So this guy is actually like they are actually polygon mesh. If we bake it out, we're gonna get this polygon mesh objects, but they are pretty much like just the outline. If you want to have it as like a proper mesh, you probably want to fill hole. I guess fill hole will do the job. So I'll try fill hole and how many polygon face we have, how many edges. Seems like it's doing some kind of calculation. Maybe I should use a smaller number. Let me try open another Blender. File, open, arrow. So instead of 100 arrow, let's make it like 4 arrows and save it as new blend. Let's use fill holes. So so this is just the edges coming in, and then the output, we want it to be a filled arrow. So how many we have? We need 7. Okay. So that's actually a filled arrow, and then you can use solidify or extrude edge. Doesn't matter. I think extrude will actually work as well. Extrude region. Plug this in. And multiple actually by the normal. This goes in there. It's actually a 3D object now. So that the height actually going this way. Okay. So that's kind of useful, but I'll leave it at 1. If we bake it, we have 3D objects arrow that we can smooth it if you like. Well, smoothing it is maybe not too good unless you add a bevel beforehand. Bevel, put it on top. So that's a little bit better. Looks like a cookie. Okay, so that's I think that's actually pretty much it. You can of course generate as many arrows as you like, and you can randomize the V1 and V2, which is this just like a random number. You can adjust it as you like, just like that. And then this is for the bottom part, and you can have like, I don't know, 400 variations if you like. Here you go, just a quick one, just a slight variations. Try also other functions in here. You will find a lot. I might do another demo, but this is just example for the arrow curve. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you have any question, let me know as well. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.